Hello guys, this is Akash. As you have seen, I have uploaded multiple JVCI board videos, and so based on the couple of requests, I decided to create a learning video or playlist which will help you guys to learn how to build this Jarvis AI by your own, and you can basically you cannot basically need of Alexa anymore if you are going to create Jarvis AI. You have laptop, you have desktop, you can use this laptop or desktop as your AI bot, as Alexa, you can say. So we can cover up multiple features. I will tell you what features we can cover, and by daily basis we are going to learn few daily one or two features, quite interesting features on the daily basis. So just connect with me on the daily basis so that we can explore and see. This is a very important topic because nowadays very critical situations we have in the job sector. So these might can help you to develop your skills, to add this skill in your resume. So we'll use Jarvis AI bot. We'll use NLP language to handle all the our tasks. So what features we are going to implement? So this is my GitHub account where I have uploaded the source code and Jarvis AI exe, which you guys can download and can use. But if you want to develop at your own, then I will surely help on you. It is quite easy if you have some basic knowledge of Python, OOPS concept, then it is very much easy for you guys. Even though if you don't have that much knowledge in that Python, don't worry, I am going to cover uh, detail things on each and every topic. And in case you guys feel like you got stuck in any particular topic, just comment me. I will try to make sure that I will definitely help you guys. You can ping me the WhatsApp, or you can ping me your queries on the email. So I will definitely help you to understand on where you guys are stuck. And I just want to make this video so that everyone should be able to understand the basic things of these AI, not basic, so you will cover the advanced features. So let me tell you what features we are going to cover in our upcoming sessions. So uh, we'll see, we can change the AI voice from male to female. So basically, we'll ask him to tell the today's date or time. We can ask him to open my document directory. We can ask him to search anything on the Google. We can ask him to open YouTube and play something for me. Then we can ask him to tell some joke. We can ask him to go offline. We can ask him to wish me on our special occasion. We can ask him to get weather updates, kind of advanced feature. We can get the latest news headlines. We get the latest news about any particular topic. We can send an email to any particular email ID. We can start any text application using voice commands. We can take a screenshot by voice command. We can read PDF or website text using voice command. We can send email by contact name. We can send even WhatsApp message by contact name. So these are the good features which you guys are doing manually, but using bot, you need not do it manually. You can do it using just one single voice command. Okay, so we'll explore these things, quite interesting and quite easy as well. So so from daily basis, I will create one uh, not daily basis, basically on alternate day basis. I will try to create a video with new feature, new things. Okay, so that one day I will teach you guys how to do that particular feature and implement that particular feature. Then you can next day practice it, and in case you have some doubt, you can ask. Okay, so I will not do it on the regular basis because you guys should be able to do the practice, right? So let's start today without going into those things. Uh, yeah. So to start with, first of all, as I told you, we will need basically Python to install. For that, what you guys can do is you can go to the browser, you can type down Python, go to the first link and download this particular uh, file. You will get the just open it, just install it. I already have. Just make sure that uncheck this thing. Okay. Otherwise, it will ask you for admin privileges every time. It's up to you, but I would suggest not to check this. Okay. Just install it, and once you are done with the installing, just go to next, and done. Okay. Then once you are done with the Python installer, then we need to set up our environment variables. But before that, while installing the Python, if you guys stuck somewhere or you need some help, just drop me or comment me or mail me or whatever is feasible for you guys. I will help you on that particular. Okay. Now, once you're done with the Python, then we need to set up the environment variable. For that, just type environment variable in your search bar and just click on open. Then you will get this pop-up. Then you need to click on this environment variables. You will get this window. There are two variables, user variables and system variables. Okay. So inside system variable, you will get one particular row that is path. Okay, path variable. Okay, so in the path variable, you have to basically add your Python variables. So using new, you can add those paths. And what path you have to add? You have to add these four paths. I will add these paths in the descriptions, but I will clearly tell you that uh, these paths will not be same in your case because I have Asus user, but in your case, you might have your user with your username, so it can be different. But apart means after this username, these will be same only. Okay, but since I have 3.11, so you guys are installing 3.12, so it will be 3.12 in your case. Okay, and now there might be one confusion in your case, guys, that how do you know like from where you will get this path? So there are two ways. One way is whenever you are going to install the Python, at that time it will ask where you have to install the Python. Okay, so whatever path you are mentioning there, so that path only you have to add here in the environment variable. But let's say if you missed that particular step, then there is one more way to do it. Just click on search, enter CMD, click on open. Okay, and just type py where Python. So just enter this command and you will get this path. Don't take the second path where we have Microsoft Windows app. Always take this one where we have this particular folder 311. For my case, for you guys, it will be 312 because the latest one is 312. Okay, just copy it, go here and just enter it and see all the Python installation files are there. Okay, and now you have to give the path of scripts as well. You can copy and paste here. Then you have to give the path of this lib as well. You can copy and paste here. You have to give the path of this side packages as well. Okay. So as I have shown you there, so these four paths you have to give. Python 3.1, scripts, lib, and side packages. So once you have added these four paths, click on OK. Okay. Okay. And then once you are done with all things, you just need to verify that whether Python is installed or not. To do that, what you have to do, you have to type one command in CMD Python hyphen hyphen version. So it will provide you that particular path, that the version of Python. So in my case, it's 3.11.15. In your case, it will be 3.12 because 3.12 is the latest Python version. So basically, that's it about the Python installation. But if you, I am pretty sure that if someone is new to Python, he might face some issue. But for that case, you just comment me with your email ID. I will with your email ID and your query, I will help you on that part for you guys. Okay. Uh, I will after this video, I will surely check all the comments and accordingly I will help you out. Okay. So now let's quickly move to the our coding part for the Jarvis AI board. Let's start one basic feature where we will create the Jarvis AI project from the PyCharm and we'll create a simple program today where it will convert the text into the speak. So we will provide some text and it will the Jarvis AI will read this text into voice, right? So it's like text to voice conversion. So for that, uh, so yeah, just one more thing. Currently, I'm using PyCharm IT, but you guys can use Visual Studio as well. And if you don't know how to install this PyCharm, then just quickly browse PyCharm to this first link. Okay. Now install this PyCharm Professional because it is paid, as you have seen, free 30 day trial. So after 30 days, you have to pay something, right? So just better to install this PyCharm Community Edition. So you can download it. You can start working on the projects. Okay. So I have opened it PyCharm. So let's create a new project. File, new project. This will be the location where you are guys are creating your project. Let's give the name of the project as demo Jarvis AI. And now just click on create. Okay. So it has created our project. So by default, it will create one main file. So either you guys can use it or you can create a new file. But I will use this main file for main calling to a file. So let's create a separate Python file that is Jarvis AI. That's fine. Okay. So now start with the particular step like text to voice conversion in using Jarvis AI bot. So we need one library and that is PyEY, that is Python text. T stand for text. Then second T stand for to text to, and then S speech, and then X conversion. That means Python text to speech conversion. So just copy this, and we need to install this Python library to download type, not download, just install PyTX Python library. Okay. So to install a particular library, there is one particular website. I will mention its link in the description. Just click on it, and you will get this command. Just copy it and go to CMD, and you can just paste it and click on enter. So it will download and install this library into your system. So basically, it will be downloaded in your system environment. So that's why we have given the path. So it will install there. Okay. So in my case, it is already installed. So it is showing that requirement is already satisfied. But in case the message will be different, so it will download into your case, right? So yeah. So one more thing you have to before import this library, you have to go to this particular interpreter setting at the bottom right, and you have to select this Python 3.11 because whatever the this library you have installed into your system variable. So that's why you have to select 3.11, or in case your will be 3.12. So if you go into interpreter setting now, then go to add interpreter and system interpreter. So you will get that particular library here. In my case, it's not there because I need to have admin privilege on that. Okay, you can select this library and you will be able to import this library because you have installed in the system variables. So to import that library, we'll use one command that is import and idx3. Okay. Now to use this particular library, uh, we have to initiate this class, some variable. So we will initiate it using init. Okay, and we will provide some reference. So we are using engine reference. Okay, and now since we have provided a reference to use this particular library or class, so we are now authorized to use any all the functions within this library. Okay, so we'll use engine dot say. Engine dot say function will change your text into voice. Okay, so whatever you are entering inside double quotes, that that thing will be converted into the voice, and Jarvis AI will speak into his voice in front of you. Okay, so let's type something. Hey Akash, welcome to this course. I hope it has been great time for you. Never stop learning. Okay. And apart from this engine dot say, you have to type one more command, engine dot run and wait. So what this command will do, it will run this say command. It will wait for some time. You are clicking on it, runs an event loop until all the commands speed up, right? So it will wait and run this command. Okay. So without this, it will not work. So this is the kind of mandatory command you have. Now let's try to run it. Right click and run Jarvis AI.
Hey Akash. Welcome to this course. I hope it has been great day for you. Never stop learning.
See, so we are successfully able to convert our text to voice commands. Now to follow the OPS principles, let's uh, create a function for this def, and then let's we have a speak function. We are keeping this code inside the speak function, and we'll call this function from the main.py. So let's remove everything. Let's import let's import Jarvis AI file, and let's call that function. That's what speak function. Now let's try to run it from main.py.
Hey Akash. Welcome to this course. I hope it has been great day for you. Never stop learning.
See, so we will use this particular Python file for our Jarvis AI functions, and we'll call all those functions from this main.py. Okay, so we'll do this one by one and in the next class uh, we will uh, we will develop a small feature to open YouTube for us and play something on it. So there are two ways. Either we can provide our output from command prompt in the typing format, or we can provide our input from the our voice. Okay, so let me give you one example. Let's say I want Jarvis to open my document. So I will run this command and I will tell Jarvis, can you please uh, uh, play uh, play Python on YouTube? Then it will ask, okay, then it will read and it will say that, yeah, we are going to run, and we will create function for that, how it will going to run and all those things. So we'll do that in the next video, and go once we check the later of uh, feel that this is good learning for you, and if you guys wants some improvement from my side, just comment me. If you need any help, just comment me. I will be available for your all the doubts. I will try to reply as soon as possible. So that's it for today, and I will provide my contact information, so where you guys can connect me. I have uploaded my everything on my GitHub profile. If you open my profile, so I have already designed a couple of things, weather updates using voice on, weather updates using Tinker app. So you guys can refer these things. And I also have the videos as well. So I will load the video and you guys can refer and comment. If you guys think that it is quite good, then just comment. Try to make videos for you on the alternate basis. Thank you guys.